This is the new Gtech HyLite vacuum cleaner. Hello, Nick here from TechNuovo and welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the brand new Gtech HyLite Cordless vacuum cleaner. First off, let's look at the spec. The cleaner weighs just 1.5 kilograms, has a 4-part extendable and detachable handle. It has an average run time of 20 minutes thanks to a 14 volt 2000 milliamp Li-ion battery, and it uses a small bag to store the rubbish collected. As you can see, the cleaner is incredibly small, so small in fact that you can hold and use the cleaner with just one hand, making it perfect for cleaning stairs, especially the upright parts of the stairs, which I rarely ever do because normal hoovers just can't do it. The cleaner is very simple in design. It has an on-off button, a detachable battery which is charged at the mains, and a little cover that the bag goes in. It's about to get somewhat noisy in here, but when I turn it on, you'll notice that the cleaner has 2 small headlights, just like a car would. It's a great feature. I'm surprised it's not on other cleaners, to be honest. It's great for dark areas such as underneath furniture, etc. So I really like that. Let's have a look. The cleaner comes with a telescopic handle which attaches to a steering module, which then clips onto the back of the cleaner. Press the button at the top of the handle and the telescopic sections will begin to fall. Total height is around 1 metre. As mentioned before, the cleaner does come with a bag for collecting dirt. It's not very common now. You usually get a bagless cleaner, but Gtech have decided to go for a bag, and they have a few good points or reasons why they've gone for a bag, and they say that it reduces the power from having a cyclone like some of the competitors. It's reduced maintenance, as there's no filters as such. You just kind of put the bag in and then clip it out when it's full and put it in the bin. And they say that you can actually store more rubbish in this little bag than some of the competitors at 1 litre total for this tiny little bag. The bag is accessed by removing the front panel, and then you insert the bag onto the outlet, and it's secured via a rubber band. One bag covered about 2 full house cleans for me, maybe a little bit more, but I didn't want to risk it splitting. So one bag covered 2 full house cleans for me, and then at that point, after 2 cleans, you could see that the bag was getting quite full, and in fact the dust and fluff and everything was getting caught because there wasn't any more space left in the bag. Gtech sell the bags separately. I think it's $12.99 for 15 bags, which is something like 80p per bag. So I use this cleaner in my own home, both on carpet and wood floors, and in both instances I was hugely impressed with the performance out of such a small bit of tech. The suction produced from this little cleaner is fantastic, and you can really notice that power when using it. I have 2 small children running around my house, so there are always crumbs, crafting materials, all sorts of general rubbish, which the HyLite cleaned without any problem at all. As I mentioned earlier, take the handle off the back of the cleaner and cleaning the stairs or chairs, sofas, etc. It's so easy, and I couldn't imagine doing it any other way now. So looking at the battery, it's 14 volt, 2000 milliamp battery. It took 2 hours to charge for a full charge, and it lasted a full house clean for me, which was anywhere between 15 to 25 minutes. Gtech say it's going to last 20 minutes, and I'm confident with that. After my first clean, it did have some juice left, but when I used it again, the battery died shortly after. At no point during the 15 to 25 minutes of use was there a drop in performance. Up until the very last minute, the suction remained just as good as if it was a full battery, which was really good to see. So the cleaner does a pretty good job of getting up close to skirting boards, etc. in your house, but that's about it. There's no nozzle attachment you might find with other cleaners that you can attach to the hose and then do the trims of the carpets, which always end up collecting lots of dust. So you need to have another cleaner or think of another way of cleaning those parts of your room. The wheels on the cleaner are pretty smooth, but the steering module lacks a little bit of flexibility. On the carpet it wasn't that bad, but on the wood flooring it was a little too stiff, and I'd end up actually lifting the cleaner and changing positions instead of turning it with the handle. It's not a deal breaker for me because it's so light, but if you've used one of the vacuum cleaners with a ball instead of the wheels, you'll notice a difference in control. Overall, I was hugely impressed with the Gtech HyLite vacuum cleaner. It's easy to set up, easy to maintain, and it does a cracking job of cleaning your floors. It is available now from the Gtech website and retails at £199. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We're active in the comment section, so if you have any queries or questions, leave them in the section below and we will get back to you.